promised, I said that I would do a review again once I installed this hair. This is the Zoey Braid 26 inch, and it is the ombre color, and I'll list the exact color. I think it's OT30. If it's not, I'll list it in the description. And this is what it looks like installed. I have it pulled back right now. Let me take it off. Okay, so I would never wear it like this. I don't like the way this looks like this, but let me show you what it looks like. Okay, now this is actually 4 packs, and it's just under 4 packs. Let me show you the top. And there are actually some big holes and spaces that I left. And the reason I did that was because the hair was getting heavy. I actually had put in 5 packs and it was too heavy. And also I wasn't finished even filling the top up, and it was just too much hair for me. It just looked way too phony with 5 packs. And so I ended up taking out a lot of hair in the back and redistributing it. And so I ended up with almost 4 packs in my hair. And this is perfect for me. And as you could see, when I was pulling my hair back, I actually put netting, weave netting, over my entire head before installing this, because I have very thin hair, and it's sparse on the crown and on the edges, and so I just decided to cover my entire head with the netting. And first corn rolled it, then covered it with the netting, and then added this braid so that the stress would be on the netting and not on my hair. So I did purchase 6 packs because I saw other reviews where people were using 5.5 packs, but boy, that is a lot of hair. So I made do with 4, and it's not even the entire 4th pack. So this is what the 4 pack looks like. And you can see I put some hair jewelry in there. So let me show you again. And I actually really like it. Okay, actually really like it. And how I style it, I take a couple of braids from the back, here they are, and then I tie it back in a knot, like over twice in a knot. And then the hair that I like, you know, is just showing in front, and then the rest is in the back. So that's pretty much how I'm going to be wearing it. And then I just kind of adjust it like that. And that way it seems more manageable. So what do you think? Let me know in your comment section. And as always, please like and subscribe. Take care.